Most people think real power only comes from traditional firearms of gunpowder, but hiding in plain sight on Amazon is a whole different category of weapons that flip that idea upside down. No explosions, no cartridges, just pressure, tension, and pure mechanical force delivering speeds and impact that honestly catch people off guard. Some of these can be shipped straight to your door. Others are designed for serious defense and tactical control. Stick with me, because what you're about to see completely changes how non-gunpowder gets defined. Let's get into it. Nothing grabs attention faster than a rifle that turns a single pull into rapid follow-up shots. The Gamo Swarm Magnum 10X Gen 3 I.22 air rifle is built around that idea, combining power, precision, and speed into a platform designed to stay efficient from the first pellet to the last. At first glance, the aggressive thumbhole synthetic stock stands out. Molded from automotive-grade glass-filled nylon, it delivers durability in all weather while providing a comfortable, controlled grip. The rifle weighs approximately 6.88 pounds and measures 49.2 inches overall, giving it a solid, balanced feel without becoming cumbersome. A shockwave absorber recoil pad reduces felt recoil by up to 74%, keeping shooting sessions smooth and fatigue low. The defining feature of the Swarm Magnum is its patent-pending 10X Gen 3 iQuickShot inertia-fed magazine system. This system holds up to 10.22 pellets and automatically indexes them without manual input, allowing faster shooting with consistent alignment. Power comes from Gamo's IGT Mach 1 inert gas piston paired with a 33mm cylinder, pushing alloy pellets at speeds up to 1,300 feet per second. Accuracy and control are reinforced through thoughtful engineering. The two-stage custom-action trigger allows independent adjustment of each stage, letting shooters fine-tune the break for better precision. Its 21.3-inch rifled barrel, paired with a checkered forearm and grip, ensures steady aim and consistent shot placement. While the recoil-reducing rail minimizes vibration and whisper fusion technology controls muzzle noise. Gamo Swarm Magnum 10X Gen 3i in .22 caliber typically sells for around $300 to $360. United Cutlery Honshu Spartan Sword. This is what happens when ancient battlefield logic collides with modern tactical design. The Cutlery Honshu Spartan Sword takes the brutal efficiency of the ancient Greek kopis and refines it into a compact, hard-hitting modern blade built for real-world strength and control. Every line of this sword is shaped with purpose, designed to deliver serious chopping power without sacrificing balance or durability. The blade measures 16.5 inches, giving it a forward-weighted profile that mirrors the aggressive cutting style the kopis was famous for. That shape is not just visual flair, it is engineered to bite deep, making each swing feel decisive and controlled. The blade is crafted from 7 CR13 stainless steel, a steel known for solid durability and easy maintenance, thus making it practical for repeated use without demanding constant upkeep. Strength comes from the inside out. This sword features full tang construction, meaning the blade extends through the entire handle. That design choice dramatically increases structural integrity, ensuring the sword can handle heavy impacts without flex or failure. At approximately 23 inches overall, the Honshu Spartan sword strikes a balance between compact handling and authoritative reach. Reapr 11003 Survival Spear. This is not a display piece. It is a tool built to hit first, go deep, and keep working when lighter gear fails. The Reapr 11003 Survival Spear is a full-length, hard-use tactical spear designed for survival scenarios, hunting applications, and aggressive outdoor use where durability matters more than polish. Measuring a commanding 44 inches from tip to base, it delivers reach, leverage, and authority the moment it is in your hands. At the front is a double-edged blade forged from 2 CR13 stainless steel. a steel selected for its toughness and ease of sharpening in the field. The blade is precision cast and finished with a black oxide coating to reduce glare, keeping reflections low in tactical or low-light environments. What separates this spear from lighter alternatives is its sheer mass. With a blade thickness of approximately 11 mm, it is intentionally overbuilt to withstand piercing, impaling, prying, and even breaching tasks without folding or snapping under pressure. Control is handled by a deeply grooved, rubberized TPR grip that locks your hand in place. It stays secure with gloves or wet hands, improves accuracy during thrusting or throwing, and reduces fatigue during extended use. Estwing Black Eagle Tomahawk. The Estwing Black Eagle Tomahawk is a no-nonsense, American-made tactical tool built for professionals who demand absolute reliability. Forged from a single solid piece of genuine American steel, it eliminates joints, welds, and weak points entirely. Its head is engineered for versatility without compromise. One side features a 2.5-inch beveled cutting edge, shaped for clean chopping, slicing, and controlled strikes. Turn it over and the hardened pointed spike takes over, built for digging, trenching, breaching, and precision penetration when brute force alone is not enough. This dual-purpose design allows the Tomahawk to transition seamlessly between outdoor work, emergency response, and tactical applications. Grip and control are handled with purpose. Estwing offers two proven options: a classic genuine leather handle for a traditional feel, or the black nylon vinyl shock reduction grip, permanently bonded directly to the steel. Priced around $100, Estwing Black Eagle Tomahawk stands firmly in professional-grade territory for those who take their tools seriously. When every second counts and being seen can save your life, you need gear that performs without fail. The Orion Safety Alerter flare gun kit is designed for exactly that, delivering reliable, high-intensity distress signals whenever visibility is critical. At its core is a 12-gauge safety launcher built for harsh marine conditions. Its corrosion-resistant construction withstands saltwater exposure, while a hammer safety lock prevents accidental discharge. Performance is where this kit truly shines. Each red aerial flare reaches heights of up to 500 feet and burns at 16,000 candela, producing a clear, intense signal that cuts through darkness, fog, or low visibility. Each flare burns for up to 7 seconds, giving rescuers a clear marker of your location. Under optimal conditions, the signals are visible from more than 25 miles away, dramatically improving your chances of being spotted. The kit is fully USCG approved for both day and nighttime distress signaling, meeting strict marine safety standards. Practical design features include an integrated bandolier that holds up to 6 high-performance flares, keeping them secure, organized, and within easy reach during emergencies. Priced between $80 and $100, the Orion Safety Alerter flare gun kit offers life-saving reliability and visibility, making it an essential addition to any marine safety setup. Fox Knives 479 Karambit. Most knives make a statement. The Fox Knives 479 Karambit. Emerson Wave rewrites the conversation entirely by combining razor-sharp performance with instinctive speed and ergonomic design built for real-world carry. Designed and assembled in Maniago, Italy, this folding Karambit takes inspiration from traditional Southeast Asian curved blades and sharpens that heritage into a modern everyday carry tool. When open, it measures about 7.48 inches overall, while folding down to roughly 5.0 inches, striking a clean balance between compact carry and usable reach. The blade itself runs approximately 2.95 inches long with a thickness near 0.12 inches, shaped into a classic hawkbill curve that excels at controlled slicing and precision work. The blade is crafted from N690CO stainless steel, Zeiss are premium steel known for strong edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance. A durable finish adds another layer of protection while keeping the look purpose-driven rather than flashy. Every cut feels deliberate, aided by the natural pulling geometry of the Karambit profile. What truly sets the 479 apart is the patented Emerson wave feature. As the knife clears your pocket, the wave hook catches the pocket seam and deploys the blade instantly in one fluid motion. Smith & Wesson Bullseye throwing cleavers. These are not kitchen tools pretending to be weapons. They are purpose-built throwers designed to hit hard, stick clean, and survive repeated impact without falling apart. The Smith & Wesson Bullseye throwing cleavers come as a set of 3 10-inch throwing knives engineered specifically for recreational target throwing. Each cleaver features a one-piece, full-tang stainless steel construction, eliminating weak points and giving the set the durability needed for consistent practice. At an overall length of 10 inches with a 5-inch blade, they strike a balanced profile that feels stable in the hand and predictable in flight. The cleaver-style blade shape adds mass toward the front, helping the knives rotate smoothly and embed reliably in wooden targets. Stainless steel construction resists corrosion and wear, making them suitable for repeated outdoor use without constant maintenance. What sets these throwing knives apart is a clever integrated bottle opener notch in the spine or handle, adding practical novelty without affecting grip or balance. Typically priced between $30 and $40, the Smith & Wesson Bullseye throwing cleavers deliver solid build quality, consistent throwing performance, and brand-backed reliability in an affordable, beginner-friendly package built for repetition and fun. Control is the difference between a toy and a tool, and that difference becomes obvious the moment you add the Pocket Shot Pro hammer handle. This upgrade reshapes the Pocket Shot into a launcher that feels deliberate, stable, and built for performance. By replacing the round frame with a solid, traditional handle, it immediately improves grip security and shooting confidence. Your hand locks into position naturally, reducing unwanted movement and giving each shot a more consistent release. That added stability shows up in real performance. The fixed handle minimizes torque and shake, making accurate shooting easier and repeatable. When paired with the Pro pouch, the system is capable of reaching projectile speeds of up to 350 feet per second, just placing it firmly in high-output territory rather than casual backyard gear. Versatility is a major strength here. The hammer handle supports both steel ammo and arrows, allowing seamless transitions between shooting styles. Arrow use is smooth with or without the Whisker Biscuit arrow cap, and a built-in rail mount opens the door to bow fishing attachments and other Pocket Shot compatible accessories. As a standalone accessory, the Pocket Shot Pro hammer handle typically retails between $39.99 and $45. When every second counts, ordinary tools won't cut it. The Kabar TDI self-defense cane is built to do more than assist your walk. It's engineered to protect you when it matters most. Constructed from 0.10-inch thick, 5052 H32 aircraft-grade aluminum with a black powder-coated finish, this cane resists corrosion and withstands daily use while maintaining exceptional strength. Measuring 39.0 inches long and weighing approximately 2.15 pounds, it offers confident reach and balance for both mobility and defensive application. The 1-inch diameter shaft provides a secure grip, while the textured handle ensures control even under stress. One-piece construction adds stability, allowing precise handling in crowded spaces, uneven terrain, or self-defense situations. At a typical retail price of $188 to $205, the Kabar TDI self-defense cane delivers a rare combination of everyday practicality and discreet defensive capability, making it a must-have for anyone seeking confidence in every step. Most survival tools promise versatility. Very few actually deliver it when conditions turn ugly. The FiveJoy Military Folding Shovel C1 is one of the rare exceptions, a compact multi-tool built for moments when improvisation is no longer optional. Designed for camping, overlanding, emergency kits, and field use, the C1 goes far beyond basic digging. It is constructed with solid carbon steel for the shovel blade and knife, reinforced by aerospace-grade aluminum components to balance strength and weight. At roughly 1.2 pounds, it folds down small enough for a backpack or vehicle kit, yet remains rugged enough for serious real-world tasks. Its defining advantage is adaptability. A secure screw-lock system allows the shovel head to lock at 30 degrees, 85 degrees, and/or a full 180 degrees, instantly converting it from a standard shovel into a hoe or a hook for prying, clearing brush, or working uneven terrain. FiveJoy pushes the C1 beyond a simple tool by embedding true survival essentials into its design. A magnesium fire starter rod helps ignite flames quickly in harsh conditions. An emergency whistle provides signaling capability. A hammer surface and bottle opener add utility, while internal paracord strands can be pulled out and used for emergency lashing, repairs, or gear stitching. Starting at just $38, the FiveJoy Shovel C1 is the ultimate primary tool when space is tight and reliability is non-negotiable. Personal safety tools only matter when they are ready, reliable, and intimidating enough to stop a situation from getting worse. That is exactly the space the Vipertek VTS-989 stun gun is designed to own. This compact, rechargeable stun gun is built for everyday carry without feeling flimsy or underpowered. Measuring approximately 6½ inches long and about 2 inches wide, it is small enough to fit easily in a purse, backpack, or glove box, yet large enough to feel secure and controlled in the hand. At roughly ½ pound, it stays light without sacrificing a solid, confidence-inspiring build. Power comes from an internal, rechargeable lithium-ion battery, removing the hassle and long-term cost of disposable batteries. The defensive core of the VTS-989 lies in its ultra-sharp spike electrodes. These are designed to penetrate through thick clothing and deliver a high-voltage shock that disrupts voluntary muscle control for several seconds. That brief window can be critical, allowing time to break contact and move to safety. Grip and control are clearly prioritized. Deep finger grooves and a rubberized non-slip handle help maintain control during high-stress moments. Shock plates along the sides function as a grab guard, delivering a secondary deterrent if someone attempts to take the device from your hand. With a starting price just under $30, the Vipertek VTS-989 combines compact portability, rechargeable convenience, built-in lighting, and serious deterrent power into one no-nonsense self-defense tool built for real-world readiness, not just paper specs. So now you have seen it. No gunpowder, no bullets, no noise, yet the potential impact is very real. Whether you see them as clever engineering, personal protection, or something that should make you pause, one thing is clear: power is not limited to firearms anymore. If this video made you think, surprised you, or straight up shocked you, hit like, share it with someone who needs to see this, subscribe for more deep dives into extreme gear and hidden tech, and drop a comment with the item that caught you off guard the most.